we are studying box and whisker plots and some visualization of data. So one of these are probably the hardest, I think, for people to understand. So I'm just going to kind of walk you through the steps here. I've already written all the information out, but this is what we have going from. And so when we're looking at these pieces of data, we can find out some information. We can find out, first of all, what our range is, because we have our minimum point, which you see is the dot right there at 10. Our maximum over here, which is at 27. So I can take 27 and subtract 10 from it, and that's my range, which is 17. Then we're looking for what is the 13 called. So 13 is that first part of the box that you make, the lower part, and that is what's called your Q1 or your lower median number. The median is the line that's inside the box, which it's not always in the center of it. As you can see, it's offset, but my median on this is 18. And then it says what fraction represents the numbers between 21 and 27. Well, 21 and 27 is from here up to here. And these are broken into quarters. So this is the first 25%. This is the 50% up to the median. And then our next 50% or 75%, and then 100%. So this 21 to 27 is representative of 1/4 of my data points. And then it asks, what's my upper median? My upper median is, again, this number right here, which is 21. And then what is the upper extreme, which is the highest number or your maximum number of 27. So now we're going to take a look at this box and whisker plot here. We've got some more questions about this. It asks us what's our lower median, which is also known as your Q1. And that's your lower middle number, which is 8 in this case. And then our upper median number, which is our Q3, which is this number up here, which is 15. And then what is the median? So I'm going to look at this, and that's the line right here. I see that it's between 10 and 11, so it looks like 10.5 or 10.5. And then our range is our lowest number, which in this case is 4, subtracted from our highest number, our maximum, which is 18. And 18 minus 4 is 14. And then it asks what's a quartile represent in percentage. Each quartile is worth 25%, which you see from that fraction above. And then it asks 75% of the numbers are smaller than what number? So that would be your Q3 number, which in this case is 15. So 75% of my data is below that. And then it says 4 would be called what? So 4 is this dot right here, which is our minimum number. I usually call it a minimum, but it also can be called a lower extreme. And if you want more questions like these, you may find them on my YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok at YouWantAlgebra. Follow me and check out more from my playlist of statistics.